Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Trailhead explanations. In this video, we are going to cover unit modify your data model from the project customize and all to support a new business. So here basically we are going to modify our data structure, or you can say data model, for the specific Trailhead org. So we will be customizing our fields. We will create some new fields. We will also create a field dependency, how we can define controlling or dependent fields. We will also create support process, how we can add values to pick list field, and we will also create record types and how we can add different pick list values to different record types. So these are all the things we are going to cover up here in this unit or video. Let's quickly launch our Trailhead playground, which I've already done over here. So the first step that we have to proceed with is we have to create a date type of field on account object. So let's move on to home setup page. There you have to select object manager, as we have to create a new field on account. So select object account, go to fields and relationship, click on new button in order to create a new field. The data type that we have to select from here will be of date type. So select the radio button against date, click on next. Now here we have to provide the details of the field. So I will go back to the challenge or unit, and I will copy this label from here. And going back again here, I will paste it in the field label text area. Description, I'm going to copy it again and paste it in the description text area. Name will be auto populated. Now you can see the cursor is coming on to next line. Just make sure that you use backspace in order to make this cursor available on the first line itself. Otherwise, this might cause you an error, or it might consider this as a space. So we do not want to run into any errors. So this will avoid getting any error. Now help text, I will be copying it from here and paste it in the help text area. Again, remove the cursor to the first line itself, make this cursor. And next we have to select all the checkboxes for read only column header, but it has to be deselected for the custom profile and system admin profile. Click on next, and we will be doing this here where field level security for profiles has to be defined. So this read only will be for all these profiles here mentioned. So I will select this checkbox against read only header. So this will select all the checkboxes for all the profiles here in this list. But we have to deselect this for custom support profile and system admin. So I will deselect this and click on next button. So custom support profile and system admin do not have read access. Then here nothing has been mentioned, so I will be keeping this as select for all the page layouts of account. Then just save all these settings that we just created for this custom field. Now this part we have done, creation of custom field. Next we have so the Kenya wants our support team to show how you can update support plan information. So all the support plan information is contained in the field that we just created, support plan start date. So what we have to do is how we have to show the team that how you can update the support plan information. So going to a playground starter app, you have to go to uh, service app. So as it is mentioned that we have to first go to app launcher and select the service app from here. Click on this service. Now from here we have to go to accounts. So I will just click on this account tab here. This will lead you to the recently viewed list. If you find the edge communication record over here, you can go from here, you can select this record. Otherwise you will if you do not find, click on this all account, and from here you can select edge communication record. Now next what we have to do is we have to scroll down to support plan start date, and we have to just edit this field with the date 1 year ago from today. So I will go to details tab here and scroll down to the field where the field which we just created. So you can see we provided the help text. So this eye icon on hovering gives us the help text here. So we have to edit it. Click on this pencil icon here and provide the date 1 year ago from today. So today is 14th of August 2022. So I will be selecting 2021 and the date will be 14th of August, just a year before from today. Click on save button. So this will just save this field value that we have provided, 14th August 2021. Now, next we have to create a dependent pick list. So this will be created on opportunity object. So the controlling field will be stage and dependent field will be delivery installation status. Both of these fields have been already created. We do not have to create any field here for this requirement of dependent pick list. We just have to set the field, or we have to just create the field level field dependencies. So I will go back here to the object manager and in quick find just type OPP. So this will filter out opportunity object for us. So click on this opportunity object and we have to create a new field dependency. Click on fields and relationship. Click on this field dependencies button on top right and we have to create a new one. Click on new button. Now the controlling field will be stage and dependent field will be delivery installation status. So the values of delivery installation status will depend on the value selected from stage field. Click on continue. Now we have to set the values that will be defined uh, for delivery installation status. So before that, just click on this next button in order to go to closed one field of stage. So here I want this in progress, yet to begin and completed to be selected or to be shown when I select a closed one from stage field. So I have using control and clicking each and every value here. I have selected all these fields. Click on include values and this will include this. If you want, you can also preview this, how this will work. So if I select any other stage value other than this closed one, say I will select need analysis. So you can see that delivery installation status is disabled here because we have only field dependency for stage value closed one. So now if I try this with closed one, you will find the three values that I just included for this uh, dependent pick list field in progress yet to begin and completed has been added over here. So this is how the field dependency will work. Click on save, click on this OK button. Now next we have to create a support process. So the support process name will be product support. So I will copy this name and going back to our home setup page in quick find, just type support. This will filter out an option support process for us. So click on this option support process. We have to create a new support process. So click on this new button. Here we will provide the existing support process will be master. So this has nothing we want to change. Then name will be the one which I copied. Description, I will again copy this from the challenge itself. Process for logging customer support and paste it in the description text area. Click on save button. Next, we have to create another support process by the name billing. So I will copy this again from the challenge and going back here. But before creating the new one, make sure that here the next screen will come up here is this one where the selected values will have all these four values. And for the default one, make sure that new is selected. So click on save. Now, next we have to create another support process. Click on new and master existing one will be master label. I will paste this here. Description, I'm going to copy it from the challenge process for logging billing inquiries and paste it in the description text area. Click on save button. So this will create another support process. Here also we have to make sure that default value is selected as new and all these fields, all these values are coming on in the selected value list. Click on save. This will create the second support process that we have. Now it's time that on case object, there is this field type, which is of picklist type data type, which is of picklist data type. Now this type has already some picklist values. We have to add few more values like which are mentioned over here. So I will simply copy this and going back to home setup, click on this object manager and here in the quick find type case, as this field is on case object, go to fields and relationship, and in quick find you have to search for type. This will filter out type field for us. Click on this field, scroll down to case type picklist value section, and here these are the already mentioned field these are already created values for this picklist. We have to create new values or add new values to this type field. Paste all the values that we had created from the which we have copied from the challenge. Click on save. Make sure all the values are in separate line. Now you can see that the values which I just copied from the challenge has been added to this pick list type field. Now, another thing we have to do is we have to create record types. So we are done till we have created dependent pick list, we have created a support process, we have added the pick list values to existing pick list type of field. Now it's time for us to create a record type. So that is also on case object. So if you scroll down on the left, you will find record types. Click on this. We have to create a new record type. Click on new button on, you will find that on right hand side. Here, existing record type will be master. For label, I will be copying it from this challenge product support. I will copy this and paste it in the label text area. Name will be auto-populated. Support process will be product support. We just created this product support process a few minutes back. Description, I will be copying it from this table again, use to log customer support issues, and paste it in the description text area. Now here we have to make this available only for the support profile and for system admin. So deselect this make available checkbox and select only for support profile and for system admin. Then click on next button. You will find this next button on your right below right. So click on this next button. Next is the page layout screen. Here we want only one layout to be applied to all the profiles. So the layout which we want is case support layout. So select this value from the drop down, click on save. Now next, the record type has been created, but we have to assign few pick list values for the field type. So if you scroll down, you will find pick list available for editing. Here is the field type. So we have to edit this because we want only selected values available for this record type. So we have the list for list of the pick list values which we do not want for our this record type. So we have to remove mechanical, electrical, structure, refund, credit card, and subscription from the selected value list to available values. So I will go back there and mechanical, electrical will be removed. Structural will also be removed, and credit card subscription has to be removed again to available values. So these are the only values that need to be present in the selected values. Default will be none again. Let me just cross check these values whether I've selected the right one. Mechanical, electrical, structure, refund, credit card, and subscription. Refund will also be included here. So these are 6 values that we have to remove. So that's all we have to do for this record type. Click on save. Default will be none. Now we have to create another record type by the name billing. So I will copy this details from here. Billing will be the record type, new record type name. I will paste this. Name will be auto-populated. Support process will be billing, which this is the second support process which we created a few minutes back. Description, I will be copying this from this table and paste it in the description text area. We have to make this activate this, and for this record type will be again available only to the support profile and to the system admin profile. Click on next. This now the page layout, this one page layout will be applied to all the profiles listed down here on the screen. The page layout that we want to be selected for our profiles is case support layout. Simply save all these settings. Now we have to edit the field, the pick list values for type field. So mechanical, electrical, structure, and feature requests. These will be these are the values that we have to remove from this pick list field type. So if you scroll down and click on edit against type field, we have to remove these fields: mechanical, electrical, structure, and feature request. So mechanical has to be removed, structural, feature request, and the last one was electrical. So remove electrical as well. These are the values that will be available for this record type. Click on save. That's all we had to do in case of record type. Now it's time that we create a few records of cases using these record types. So let's go to app launcher and select the service app. So I think we are already on account page. So what we have to do is from here, go to edge communication again and scroll down to cases related list. We have to create a new case of record type product support. So going back here, if I go to related tab and from here go to cases related list of cases, click on new button. We have to create a case with the record type product support. Click on next. Here the details have been mentioned. Product, we can choose any. Type will be electronic, origin phone, and performance will be the case reason. Electronic, phone, and performance. Go back to here. So this will be any product I'm selecting. Electronic will be the type, origin will be phone, and case reason will be performance. So electronic, phone, performance. Subject, I'm going to copy it, which is laptop power. Scroll down to the bottom and paste this here in the subject text area. Description again has to be copied and pasted against in the description text area. Make this cursor removed from the second line by using backspace button. Now let me just cross check. Product, we can select any. Type will be electronic, phone, and performance. Yeah, we are good to go. Just click on the save button. Now next we have to go to account tab again, and we have to create a new case again in the edge communication, again for the edge communication. So let's go to accounts and select, we were already there on edge communication, so no need to go to tab again. So we have to create new case again. Click on this new button, and this time the record type will be billing one. Click on next. Here product can be again of any product we can select. Type will be electronic. This time case origin will be email and case reason will be other. So I will select the same. Case origin has to be email and case reason has to be other. Product, we can select any of the products. So I'm selecting 3040, and type will be electronic. So electronic, email, and other. These are the details that we had to fill here. To select this subject, copy it and paste it in the subject text area by scrolling to the bottom. Description, I will be again copying it from this table. Copy this and paste it in the description text area. Click on save. That's all we had to do in order to create case records with different record types that we created. That's all we had to do in this unit. Now it's time to verify our step. Click on the verify step to earn 100 points. Hopefully we should be able to pass this challenge as well as this unit. Let's just wait for it to give out the output. There you go. This unit is complete. See you in the next video with another unit. Till then, take care. Thank you.